In this video, we are going to show you how to turn notes into structured outlines in Poppy AI. Now, turning notes into structured outlines is quite simple. All we need to do is get the material we need. For this example, we're going to have some articles about homesteading, right? We have a couple here. Now, here we want to either just copy the URL and paste it here, or if you want to be more organized, click a group, click a new group, right? Group 1. You can either change the name or you don't, up to you, right? So we're going to paste the articles here. There you go, right? There you have it. Both articles are now in the group. And if you move the group, as you can see, it is in. And after that, you want to click your core, which is your chatbot. There you go, connect it there. And here on the prop, you just need to say, using the material in the group connected, I want you to create a structured outline for me. Press enter, wait for it to start doing its thing. As you can see, it says thinking. There you go. It's uploaded both articles. There you go. Beginner's homesteading, structured outline. So it's going to start creating the outline. And if you pretty much are satisfied, you can just copy paste it. Or if you're not, you can tweak it yourself. It's better if you tweak and put some human touch to your outline. And after that, you will be good to go. And if you're interested in trying out Poppy AI, you can get a $25 off when you click on the link in the description below. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. See you on the next video.